Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the notification tone for all groups in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. To access the settings, click on the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, navigate to the Notifications tab. This is where you can customize various notification settings for your WhatsApp account. Scroll down until you find the Notification Tones option. This is where you can modify the notification sound specifically for WhatsApp groups. Under the Group section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of available tones. To preview a tone, simply click on the play button next to the drop-down menu. This allows you to listen to the tone before making your selection. Once you've found the perfect tone, select it from the drop-down menu. This will be the new notification sound for all groups in WhatsApp on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully changed the notification tone for all groups in WhatsApp on your PC. Now, every time you receive a message in a WhatsApp group, you'll be greeted with your customized notification sound. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video.